ओ नमो नमः। गीताभ्यासे 3-36 अथ केन प्रयुक्तोऽयम्, a study by S.L. Abhyankar, Mumbai, शुक्रवासरे, February 26, 2021. It would be good to begin every session of Gita Abhyasa with recitation of Gita Dhyanam and the Namana Vakyam. Om Parthaya Pratibodhitam Bhagavata Narayanena Swayam Vyasena Grathitam Purana Munina Madhye Mahabharatam Advaitam Mritavarshinim Bhagavatim Ashtadashadhyayinim Amba Tvamanusandadhami Bhagavad Gite Bhavadveshini. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Arjuna Vacha अथ केन प्रयुक्तोऽयं पापं चरति पूरुषः अनिच्छन्नपि वार्ष्णेय बलादिव नियोजितः. पदच्छेदः. अर्जुनः उवाच अथ केन प्रयुक्तः अयं पापं चरति पूरुषः अनिच्छन् अपि वार्ष्णेय बलात् इव नियोजितः. वाक्यांशः पदाभ्यासः अन्वयार्थाश्च. There are following वाक्यांशः. अर्जुनः उवाच वार्ष्णेय अथ केन प्रयुक्तः अनिच्छन् अपि बलात् नियोजितः इव अयं पुरुषः पापं चरति. Let us do detailed वाक्यांशः study. अर्जुनः उवाच वार्ष्णेय. उवाच वच् द्वितीयगणिः परस्मैपदी. To say, to speak. लिट् लकारः परस्मैपदं प्रथमपुरुषः एकवचनं. Here Arjuna has already actually asked a question. So uvacha should be interpreted as asked, papracha. Note, papracha is lit lekarah. Parasmaipadam, prathama purushaha ekvachanam of pracha, prachang, dnipsayam, to ask, to seek, to question. Tudadihi, shashthamaganiyah, parasmaipadi, sakarmakah, anit. Varshneya, sambodhanam, ekvachanam. वृष्णीनामेति अयमिति वार्ष्णेयः. See, वृष्णीनां वासुदेवोऽस्मि. This comes in Gita 10-37. वार्ष्णेयः is a descendant of वृष्णिः. अथ केन प्रयुक्तः अनिच्छन्नपि बलात् नियोजितः इव अयं पुरुषः पापं चरति. It would be good to study this sentence by 4 वाक्यांशः. 1. अथ केन प्रयुक्तः. 2. अनिच्छन् अपि. 3. बलात् नियोजितः इव. 4. अयं पुरुषः पापं चरति. Now, अथ केन प्रयुक्तः. अथ. Here, अथ means that being so. Considering what all you are telling. केन, किं, सर्वनाम, अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं नपुंसकलिङ्गं वा, तृतीया एकवचनं. प्रयुक्तः, प्र प्लस युज् धातोः क्त विशेषणं प्रयुक्त. अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं प्रथमा एकवचनं. Note, क्त विशेषणं has passive voice inherent. That is why केन has तृतीया विभक्ति. Note, युज् प्रयुक्तः is from प्र plus युज्. युज् is युज्, to bind, to restrain, to join, to unite, to apply, to combine. योगे. रुधादिः सप्तम गणीयः उभयपदी सकर्मकः अनिट्. केन प्रयुक्तः. ड्यू टू व्हाट एफ्लिक्शन और बाय हुज और बाय व्हाट एसोसिएशन. अनिच्छन्नपि. न इच्छन् इति अनिच्छन्, न तत्पुरुषः. इच्छन् इष् धातोः शत्रुविशेषणम् इच्छत्. अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं प्रथमा एकवचनं. नोट, इष् इषुं इच्छायां. टू विश, टू डिजायर, टू वांट. तुदादिः षष्ठमगणीयः परस्मैपदी सकर्मकः सेट. अनिच्छन्नपि, इवन व्हेन नॉट वांटिंग. बलात् नियोजितः इव. बलात्, बल, फोर्स. नपुंसकलिङ्गं पंचमी एकवचनं. नियोजितः नि प्लस युज् धातोः प्रयोजकस्य क्त विशेषणं नियोजित. अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं प्रथमा एकवचनं. नोट, प्र प्लस युज् धातोः क्त विशेषणं प्रयुक्त. Accordingly, ni plus yuj dhatoh kta visheshanam niyukta. But here we have niyojita, which is ni plus yuj dhatoh prayojakasya kta visheshanam. That is made to be niyukta. Balat niyojitaha iva, as if made to be associated perforce. Ayam purushaha papam charati. Ayam idam सर्वनाम पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम. पूरुषः इक्वल टू पुरुषः. पापम पाप सिन नपुंसकलिंगम अत्र द्वितीया एकवचनम. चरति चर लट लकार प्रथम पुरुषः एकवचनम. नोट चर चरंग. गतौ भक्षणे च टू गो टू वॉक टू ईट टू ग्रेज. भ्वादिः प्रथम गणीयः परस्मैपदी सकर्मकः सेट. Ayam purushaha papam charati. The person indulges in sinful conduct. Saramshataha, overall meaning. Arjunaha uvacha Varshneya. Arjuna said, rather asked, O descendant of Vrishni, Atha, so then, kena prayuktaha, by what affliction? Anichannapi, even when not wanting, balat niyojitahaiva, as if made to be associated perforce. Ayam purushaha papam charati. The person indulges in sinful conduct. Chando Vishleshana. Atha kena prayuktoyam ashtakshani prayukto etesham matraha eka dve dve. Papam charati purushaha ashtakshani tipuru etesham matraha eka dve eka. Anichannapi varshneya ashtakshani pivarshne etesham matraha eka dve dve. Baladiva niyojitaha अष्टाक्षराणि नियोजि एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका. अनुष्टुप् छन्दः in 3-36. स्वाध्यायः notes of self study. A person would indulge in sinful conduct against one's own conscience only on losing self control. So the question as asked can as well be understood to be the question, what is it that makes a person lose self control? Recently, I joined on Facebook a group, Consciousness Based Education. That was because Mr. Frederick Michaud, the admin of the group, gave me a pleasant surprise by sending me his appreciation of this Gita Bhyasa of mine. This question, what is it that makes a person lose self-control, appears to be a good starting point of consciousness-based education. One would lose self-control, first of all, when one allows one's conscience to be swayed. One losing self-control by one's conscience being swayed, overpowered, may as well be analyzed as a game of potentials. If we are in an environment of highly negative potentials, say as in a crematory, those negative potentials do disturb our own positive potentials. There is a popular phrase, light at the end of a tunnel. A dark tunnel is the zone of highly negative potentials. Negative potentials may exercise their influence against one's wish. On patiently listening to Arjuna's despondency, Arjuna Vishadaha, in the first chapter, Sri Krishna Bhagavan does not counter him by any harsh words as, how do you say so? Rather, Sri Krishna Bhagavan is empathetic to Arjuna Vishadaha. The empathy is clear in Sri Krishna Bhagavan asking Arjuna, Kutastva kashmalamidam mishame samupasitam. Wherefrom has this negativity befallen you? Even the wording here, atha kena prayuktaha, so then by what affliction, also has this empathy about something wrong happening, papam charati, against one's wish, anichannapi, similar to reference by Sri Krishna Bhagavan, kashmalam. The question is about the affliction, kena prayuktaha, than about the person. Sanskrit word for gaining and exercising control is vashitvam, listed as one of the 8 superhuman accomplishments, siddhaya. See, anima laghmya prapti prakamyam mahima tatha ishitvancha vashitvancha tatha kamavasayita. Gaining and exercising control, vashitvam, over anybody, anytime, anything, anytime, may be a superhuman faculty, but cultivating self control should be possible for anybody. Rather, Vashitvam without self control is meaningless. Vashitvam is a superhuman faculty, ought to be possible only after self control. It becomes interesting to study what consciousness based education is delineated by Sri Krishna Bhagavan in response to this pertinent question by Arjuna about being susceptible to influences of negativities. As such, concept and philosophy of self control, Atmavashyahi Indriyahi, Gita 2-64, has been already mentioned in continuation of Vashyahi Yasyendriyani, Gita 2-61. Rightly, charity begins at home. So Vashitvam also starts with self-control, Atma Vashitvam. Rather, a person should strive to become Atmavan. Gita 2-45. This has been already advised. Why then the question by Arjuna? If we put ourselves in Arjuna's position, would the same question occur to us? If it is already discussed, what is the answer? Maybe we shall have to go over it all over again. Instead, better see delineation by Sri Krishna Bhagavan. Shubhamastu.